Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We're back today with a brand new unboxing. We're going to jump into a review, and we're also going to do an on foot of a brand new pickup I just got today over at Foot Action. I actually went to the mall with like maybe 8 or 9 different pair of sneakers in my head that were on my checklist to grab. And when I got to the mall, it dwindled down to like 4 or 5 based off availability. I was actually surprised that I found these sitting in the back of Foot Action. None of the other sneaker stores, Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, etc. had these. They're sold out on Nike.com, and once I seen they were available, I knew I had to have them. You guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Air Max 98 AOP, which stands for All Over Print. Air Max 98 has come back in a big way here in 2018. It is, obviously the 20th anniversary of this sneaker silhouette. A lot of these have been selling out rather quickly. The Air Max 98 I felt like was always a slept-on model. And I think other than like the Supreme collab, a lot of people just really overlooked this silhouette. It's one of my favorites. As you guys know, I'm a huge Air Max fan. The Air Max 1 is in my top 3 favorite sneakers of all time. I said these were only sitting in Foot Action. I know they're sold out on Nike.com and they're sold out on the Nike Sneakers app. But it essentially is a checkerboard black and white pattern that is throughout the whole upper. And what's really dope about this sneaker is above the air bubble on the first part of the upper, you got a brushed nubuck suede. Then you have a regular leather that goes all along here where the swoosh is, and then you have the mesh upper on top. The leather hits go throughout the sneaker at the top of the eyelets, and then there is another patch of leather right here. These are super comfortable. You have almost full length visible air going all the way up. There's about a 1/4 inch of the front of the sneaker that doesn't have the visible air bubble, but I felt like these are a really slept on silhouette, and I know this colorway has really been flying off shelves. I feel like with it being the 20th anniversary and Supreme is so hype right now that people are starting to show the proper recognition to this sneaker because of the Supreme collab that happened years ago. But these do run a little different. I did go up a half size. I'm traditionally an 8.5 in all Nike and Jordan brand, but with these I did go up to a 9, and my toe is at like damn near the front. So it was definitely a good look by me. We're going to do an on foot of these guys, but I think just the overall aesthetics of the sneaker is very sleek, very dope. It's got hints of orange and yellow throughout. It's got the orange swoosh outlined in yellow. It's got the Air Max on the tongue, has yellow Nike branding, and you got the yellow Air right back here on the heel. But just super dope, and these are extremely comfortable. But like I said, I do recommend going up a half a size if you're able to get your hands on this pair or any other pair of Air Max 98s. This is a good sneaker for the summer. This looks great with shorts and or jeans, joggers, sweats, anything you want to pull off. That's what's great about the Air Max is I feel like there's plenty of sneakers that look super dope with shorts. There's plenty of sneakers that look super dope with pants. It's good to find a sneaker that you can rock with both, especially this time of year, because depending where you live, it could be extremely hot in the summer, it could just be mild. So you could be wearing pants one day, shorts the other. These are a great sneaker that accommodate all types of apparel. So I think it's necessary that if you're an Air Max fan and you haven't worn an Air Max 98 yet, I know they're not the traditional go-to Air Max for most people, but you really are sleeping and really are missing out not having a pair of Air Max 98s in your arsenal. So without further ado, let's go do the on foot. I'll be back on Monday with another video, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Richie Ruckus Beats.